Hello dear student, today we start the new topic. The name of our new topic is the words problem is based on the multiplication. It means you have to use the very simple multiplication. Now the first of all we start from the words problem. Here will be three words problem is given to you. Now we have to solve the one by one words problem. Now to start from the first words problem. Now see, a bus travels a distance of 75 kilometer in 1 hour. How many kilometer will it cover in 5 hours? Okay. Now see, first of all we have to write down the given condition. First of all we have to read the given condition is what? A bus travels a distance of 75 kilometer. First of all see here the bus travels a distance of 75 kilometers in 1 hour. Now, how many kilometers will it cover in 5 hours? It means that a bus travels distance in 75 kilometers in 1 hour. Okay, it's a given condition. Now we have to find out the bus travels in 5 hours. It means that we have to use the simple multiplication. Okay, now we have to solve the simple multiplication. First of all, we have to write down the given condition. Your given condition is what? A bus travels a distance of 75 kilometer in 1 hour. Then we have to find out the bus travels a distance in 5 hours. It means you have to use the simple multiplication. Here will be 75. 75. We have to multiply it by what? This is our simple multiplication. This is our 5. And so we have to use the very simple multiplication. Okay. Because the 5 are 25. This is our 5 are 25. It means that you have to write down the 5. Okay. And 2 1 is also carry. Okay. This is our 5 7 are 35. 35 plus 2 is our 37. This is our 37. Okay. It means that once again I repeat this calculation part because 5 are 25. This is our 5. 2 1 is also carry. Because of 5 7 are 35. 35 plus 2 is our 37. This is our 37. This is our final answer. Okay. Here will be 375 is the final answer. It means that here will be how many kilometer will it cover in 5 hours. You have to multiply it 75 multiplied by 5. It means that what is the last line? Last line you know how many kilometer it will cover in 5 hours? It means 375 kilometer cover in 5 hours. This is our we have to write down the last line. Now next we will start from the second one question. The second one question is what? The cost of a baby chair is given to you 98 rupees. Then what is the cost of 6 such chair? First of all see you have to write down the given condition. Your given condition is what? The cost of baby chair is 98 rupees. It means that the cost of the one chair is given to you. This is 98 rupees. And then you have to find out the cost of the 6 such chair. You have to find out the 6 such chair. Okay. First of all, you have to write down the given condition. The given condition is what? The cost of the one chair. The cost of only one chair is 98 rupees. And similarly, you have to find out the cost of the 6th chair. Okay. It means that you have to use the simple multiplication because the cost of the one chair is given to you. This is 98 rupees. And similarly, you have to find out what is the cost of the 6th such chair. Okay. It means that so you have to use the simple multiplication. This is 98 multiplied by what? 6. It will be 98. 98 multiplied by 6. And so simple, you have to use a simple multiplication. Okay. And this example is also solved in the expanded notation. 75 you can also write down the 70 plus 5. Okay, this method is also applied. And 98 multiplied by 6. Now we have to do simple multiplication. Here will be 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24, 6 5 is 30, 6 6 is 36, 6 7 is 42 and 6 8 is 48. Okay, because 6 8 is what? 48. Now here this is our we have to write down the 48. This is our 8. Okay, 4 in 4 is also carry. and the 6 9 ja, here will be 6 9 ja 54. Here will be 54 plus 4 because this is our 4 odd is also carry. 54 plus 4 is our 58. This is your write down the 58. This is our final answer. Okay, it means that your question is what? The cost of the baby chair is given to you. This is for 98 rupees. Okay. Now next one is what? What is the cost of the 6 such chair? It means that the solution of the example is what? The cost of the baby chair is given to you. The cost of the one chair is given to you. This is for 98 rupees. Similarly, you have to find out what is the cost of the 6 such chair. Okay. Here will be 98 multiplied by 6. Here will be 6 8 ja 48. This is by 8. 4 is also carry. Same 6 9 ja 54. Here will be 4. 54 plus 4 is 58. Definitely the answer will come in 588 is the correct answer. It means that the price of the 6 chair is what? 588 rupees. This is for the second one example. Now start from the next example. Here will be Shruti can type 76 words per minute. How many words can she type in to 10 minutes? Now see, first of all, read the example carefully. First of all, write down the calculation part. Shruti can type on the 76 words in a minute. Here will be 1 minute has a Shruti can be type the 76 words in a minute in 1 minute. Okay. Same way, how many words can be she type in the 10 minutes? Okay. It means that the Shruti can be type the 76 words in the 1 minute. Same, we have to find out the how many words can be she type in the 10 minutes. Okay. Now listen here, there will be 76. Definitely we have to use in the simple multiplication. We have to use the simple multiply by 10. Now we have to solve it. So simple actually table of a multiplication table. So simple multiplication table. Okay, understood. Now see, this is our 10 6 are 60 because 10 1 ja 1, 10 2 ja 20, 30, 40 and 50. Because the 10 6 to our 60. Here we have to write down this is our 60. Okay, 60 means what? This is our 0 and the 6 one is also carry. 10 7 ja 70. 70 plus 6 is our 76. It means that this is our final answer is what? 760. Once again I repeat this question. Shruti can type down 76 words in a minute. How many words can she type in the 10 minutes? First of all, we have to write down the given condition is what? Shruti can type the 76 words in 1 minute. Okay, how many words can she type in the 10 minutes? Okay, we have to use the simple multiplication. This is our 76 multiplied by 10. Here will be 10 6 is 60. This is our 0. 6 is also carry. Okay, now 10 multiplied by 7 is 70. Here will be 70 plus 6. 6 is also carry because 70 plus 6 is 76. We have to write down the 760. It means that your final answer is what? 760 is the correct answer. It means you have to write down the last line is what? How many words can be she type in 10 minutes? There are 76 words can be she type in the 10 minutes. It means you have to the sheet means you have to use in the Shruti. Okay, this is our way we have to solve the words problem. First of all, we have to write down the given condition and we have to use the simple multiplication. Okay, we have to use the very simple multiplication table. Hope so everyone student understood the concept of the words problem is actually based on the simple multiplication. Okay, and the next topic we will start from the next obvious video and have a nice day.